What if the people you trusted most used your parents as weapons? This is not just a legal case, it's a K-pop power war, and NewJeans is stuck in the middle. Let's break down what really happened. Trust me, it's way messier than you think. November 2024, NewJeans calls an emergency press conference. They drop a bombshell. We're leaving ADOR. Why? They said the trust is broken, and they can't work under the label anymore. So far, pretty standard. But here's where it explodes. ADOR, backed by HYBE, sues them, files court injunctions to block any independent activity, even goes after them for launching a new name, NJZ, and the court, they side with ADOR. Not only is the exclusive contract declared valid, but the court adds a penalty, 10 billion Korean won per member, for every unauthorized activity. That's over 7.5 million USD for just one mistake. NewJeans can't perform, can't promote, can't even post without permission. They're basically famous prisoners. Then came the real plot twist. In the latest ruling, the court directly calls out minheejin. They claim she stayed in the shadows, while putting NewJeans' parents out front to run a coordinated media war. The judge even cited KakaoTalk messages showing she planned to manipulate public opinion against HYBE while staying behind the curtain. Let that sink in. The court says this wasn't about protecting NewJeans. It was about attacking HYBE. That's not just legal, that's dirty. So what happens now? The contract is binding. The penalties are massive. The label legally owns them. But NewJeans, they still refuse to return. Their lawyers say this relationship is beyond repair, so we're at a total standoff. ADOR holds the legal rights. NewJeans holds the fan base. Nobody's moving. This isn't just one group's drama, it exposes something uglier. Behind the pretty stages and perfect choreography, there's control, power plays, and manipulation. Can idols actually leave when they want to, or are they trapped by the very system that made them? And if using parents in a media strategy is part of the game now, what does that say about the industry? Final thought, who really wins? ADOR won in court, but what did they win? A group that won't return? A fan base that's losing trust? And minheejin? Did she protect the girls? Or did she use them to fight her own war? This story isn't over. It's just getting darker. And if you think this couldn't happen to other idols, think again.